Back. This is episode 12 of the John Deere GP saga. Tony's over here filling it up with water. We haven't tried to start it yet, but we spent the morning getting the end plate set on the flywheel. That's good. Got the clutch together and adjusted. Should have a good snap to it now. Just like that. Okay, good. It does turn, so that's good. We set up a temporary tank on it because the original fuel tank, we had to cut off the... Oh, hold on.
You have a leak somewhere?
We got a leak. We got a leak at this bolt right here. Not the end of the world. Probably just need to...
That's why we run water in these things first.
Put some thread sealant on it. So, could be worse. That's okay. It's just water. So, we got a temporary tank on it because the original fuel tank, we had to cut the bung or the elbow off of it and then drill it out and tap it, but it was tapped, I think, a little bit too big, so we're gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can get some life out of it. It's leaking, but could be worse. As long as there's water in it, that's all that matters. I think that's the only spot that it's leaking from.
I can tell.
Maybe at that too. Did you take this bottom elbow off?
No.
We might have to take that off and reseal it. It's either leaking there or it's leaking out of the radiator hose, but something tells me it's that connection.
Yep, I agree.
So, not a big deal. 6 bolts to get the radiator off of these, so it's not that big of a deal. But there's always issues when you go and first put these things together. So, we're leaking, but we're gonna see if we can get some life out of it. You gonna do the honors, Tony?
Yeah, I suppose.
Okay, fuel's on.
Yep.
Choke is up for
up.
choke. Fun fact, there's this little slot in the choke arm. That's the direction of the choke butterfly. So. Oh, hold on.
Flooded?
Yep. Turn the fuel off. Oh, I know what the problem is. Hold on a minute. Okay, we'll try it. Nothing yet?
Nothing yet. Sure getting a lot of compression though.
On one side.
It's that side. Getting oil pressure.
Got oil pressure.
Yep. Is that petcock open over there?
This one? It needs to be refurbished.
You said choke was up?
Whichever way the line is on that. Right next in the center.
It's horizontal.
So that's choked. Whoop.
Oh, here we go.
Turn choke off. Watch your ear.
Yeah, no kidding.
It runs.
Yep, it sounds like a one cylinder though.
Try going forward with it. We can wire it. I think what it might be, there's a lot of dirt on that shield. I think it might be burning that dirt off. The more it runs, the better it sounds. The more it runs, the better it sounds. It runs. Got some problems to iron out, but all 3 gears work. What about reverse? Reverse works. All right. Awesome. Well, guys, we got the 29 GP running. Got a couple leaks, got a couple things to figure out. The governor's a little sticky. We can't figure out why it's not responding to the throttle arm or the throttle linkage to the hand lever. So we got to figure that out, and then fix the radiator leaks and get the fuel tank figured out as far as what we're going to do with the bung on the bottom of that. You know, we're either going to have to solder in a new bung or not sure. We'll figure it out, but that's not a huge deal. We'll figure that out. So I said that 3 times. But that's going to do it for this episode. As you can see, we've already got the 28 John Deere D in the garage, so hopefully we can start making some progress on the teardown of this big fella. Plan is to get the block off, the head off, front axle, radiator. This is just sitting on here right now. It's not even bolted down or anything. So we'll get that stuff off, and I know we have to get one of the quills out because the 27 is missing a quill. So have to get that out. But the steering, all the fenders and tin work, the wheels got to come off and go onto this one. So that's the plan. The rest of it will be for sale. So if anybody's looking for any early John Deere D parts, whatever we don't use from this to put on the 27, the rest is going to be for sale. So stay tuned for that. We'll try and get it apart in a timely manner, but I've never pulled one of these apart before, so it's going to be a learning process for me too. But anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for wrenching with us, and we got another one running. We saved another one, so that'll do it. Thanks, guys. We'll see you later.